my life's a circle. Sunrise and sundown, moon rolls through the nighttime till the daybreak comes around. All my life's a circle, but I can't tell you why. Seasons spinning round again, the years keep rolling by. It seems like I've been here before. I can't remember when, but yes I can. And I got this funny feeling that we'll all be together again. There's no straight lines make up my life, and all the roads have bends. There's no clear-cut beginning, and so far no dead end. Steve, you got one for us? You're gonna do the soft one, right? I found you 1,000 times. I guess you've done the same. But then we lose each other. It's just like a children's game. But as I find you here again, the thought runs through my mind. Our love is like a circle. Let's go round one more time. It goes all my life's a circle. Sunrise and sundown. The moon rolls through the nighttime till the daybreak comes around. Just think of me as Mitch Miller and you'll do fine. Are you ready? All my life's a circle coming at you. Ah, all my life's a circle. Sunrise, sunrise and sundown. The moon rolls through the nighttime. The moon rolls through the nighttime till the daybreak comes around. All my life's a circle, but I can't tell you why, but I can't tell you why. The season's spinning round again, the years keep rolling by. I want to show those of you who feel a little bit embarrassed that anybody can sing this song. First, I'd like to call up the road crew. Mike Solomon and Jeff Gross, who also, actually to call them a road crew is a gross injustice because they handle sound, lights, and everything else. Jeff, Michael, come on up here. You guys have heard of Simon and Garfunkel, right? Well, these guys are sort of like the 70s answer to Simon and Garfunkel. They sound a little bit like Seals and Crofts and a little bit like Sears and Roebuck. Where you guys? Okay, anytime you're ready. All my life's a circle, sunrise and sundown. The moon rolls through the nighttime till the daybreak comes around. I sing like Haldeman and Ehrlichman. All my life's a circle, but I can't tell you why. Big ending, guys. Seasons spinning round again. Years keep rolling by. All right. Don't go away, don't go away. And to make the final conclusive evidence, there's been a gentleman up here hiding behind his cello all night, and you may wonder why he plays the cello in the first place. Would you like to hear Michael sing this song? Mike, stand up. Leave the cello alone, and I want you to sing it with a great deal of feeling and soul. All my life's a circle, sunrise and sundown. The moon rolls through the nighttime till the daybreak comes around. Mario Lanza lives.